Let's talk about what you need to know once you've installed Cursor, so you can also go from no expertise to an app builder. So this is Cursor. This is where I talk to my agent using natural language. Perfectly plain, don't even need to be techie. Cursor has a terminal. See this? This is where the code actually gets input. You don't really have to worry about it. That's where Cursor writes the code for you. Once you have installed and opened Cursor, you're going to need to open a folder that you've created on your computer. Cursor doesn't build apps out of thin air. It builds files. When we open a folder, we're giving it a place to put the pieces in. Once you've created the folder, you'll come in, go to File, Open Folder. And that gives Cursor access to work on your computer. I like to create one boring folder on my computer, call it something like Projects, and just put everything in there. Cursor just needs a place to work, and this keeps everything easy to find later. When creating a folder, you do not want to put it on your desktop. It can get kind of messy and it can create problems later, which we don't need to get into. My next instruction might make developers cringe hard. On a Mac, if you open Finder, it will automatically open to recents. This is not a real file location. Do not create it here. Easiest thing to do, go to Documents, create a folder here. That way it's a real file location, and now you're ready to open it in Cursor. A note for something you don't need to know. Developers will tell you to create your folder in the terminal. Terminal is just where code is entered. It's like the backstage of your computer. Honestly, I can't remember why they like to open it in terminal. I believe that's how they do it because they can just type it into the terminal and have it in a specific location without all the clicks. And now that you have opened your folder, Cursor already comes with its AI built in. You don't have to select AIs. You don't have to enter an API key. You just get started. So go build.